Welcome to our presentation on circular economy best practices in the European Union. Today, we are exploring a vital case study from the energy sector. Vattenfall, headquartered in Sweden. Vattenfall is a leading European energy company committed to delivering fossil-free power. As we transition toward renewable energy, the sustainability of the hardware itself becomes a critical challenge. We will examine how Vattenfall integrates circular principles by recycling large-scale energy infrastructure, utilizing waste heat for district heating, and developing fully recyclable wind turbine blades. Their innovative approach sets a precedent for how energy providers can treat old infrastructure as a valuable material reservoir for the future. Let's begin. Our agenda for this session is structured into three primary segments to provide a comprehensive analysis of Vattenfall's circular transition. First, we will cover the company profile, providing insights into their core energy business and the initial decommissioning challenges that led to their circular strategy. Second, we will dive deep into the key components of circular economy practices. This section utilizes the KODECET framework to evaluate Vattenfall's impact across three critical pillars: planet, profit, and people, alongside overarching themes like technology and policy support. Finally, we will conclude with a summary of circular economy strategies. This will include an overview of their core infrastructure recovery methods, the main findings from their recent environmental impact reports, and the key takeaways that make Vattenfall a scalable blueprint for the global energy sector within the European Union. Company profile of Vattenfall. Vattenfall is a leading European energy company headquartered in Solna, Sweden. While they have a strong Nordic foundation, they operate extensively across several European markets, delivering fossil-free power and renewable energy solutions. As a major player in the utility sector, Vattenfall recognizes that a truly green energy transition must go beyond just generating clean power. It must also account for the physical sustainability of its infrastructure. The company's circular initiatives were launched to address the growing environmental footprint of decommissioning aging energy assets like wind turbines and solar panels. By acting as a pioneer in life cycle management, Vattenfall aims to minimize waste and maximize resource efficiency across its global operations. This overview sets the context for their specific circular economy initiatives, addressing the urgent industrial need to manage massive renewable hardware in a sustainable and responsible way. Vattenfall's core business centers on delivering fossil-free power and innovative renewable energy solutions to millions of customers. Their primary circular economy approach involves recycling large-scale energy infrastructure and utilizing waste heat for efficient regional district heating systems. This model strictly adheres to circular principles by ensuring that valuable materials and energy residues remain within the economic cycle. The main findings from their recent circular analysis are significant. The company has successfully developed innovative methods to reclaim precious materials like silicon and silver from end-of-life solar panels. Furthermore, Vattenfall is a leader in developing fully recyclable wind turbine blades to eliminate large-scale component landfill waste. These findings validate that the energy sector can achieve high production standards while simultaneously minimizing resource depletion and protecting ecosystems through the responsible management of their physical assets and hardware. The initial situation that prompted Vattenfall's circular transition is defined by the unique environmental and logistical challenges of the green energy transition. While renewable energy is clean to produce, the decommissioning of aging infrastructure, such as wind turbines and solar panels, generates massive volumes of specialized waste that traditional waste management systems cannot handle. Furthermore, the energy industry faces strict carbon-free energy targets and escalating global sustainability goals that demand a radical rethink of asset life cycles. Vattenfall recognized these challenges as a strategic opportunity to innovate their infrastructure management. By addressing the waste problem at the end of a turbine's life, they aim to reduce dependency on virgin materials and create a more resilient energy system that aligns with European sustainability goals and ensures the long-term resource efficiency of renewable energy hardware. Key components of circular economy practices of Vattenfall. Under the planet pillar, Vattenfall's environmental impact is focused on resource conservation and drastic footprint reduction. Their innovations in solar panel recycling significantly reduce the need for water-intensive mining of virgin minerals like silicon and silver. A key achievement is the substantial CO2 emissions reduction achieved by recycling wind turbine components and leveraging excess waste heat for regional heating systems. Furthermore, their design for circularity ensures that energy assets are durable and, increasingly, 100% recyclable. By recovering a high percentage of materials from decommissioned wind turbines, the company diverts massive volumes of waste from landfills and protects local ecosystems. These indicators demonstrate how Vattenfall is mitigating pollution and preserving biodiversity. This holistic approach ensures their operations help regenerate natural systems rather than depleting them, fulfilling a core objective of the European circular transition. The profit pillar examines the economic viability of Vattenfall's circular business model. Their strategy ensures long-term financial sustainability by enhancing cost efficiency through the recovery and reuse of high-value infrastructure materials. Reclaiming precious metals from solar panels and recycling wind components provide a significant return on investment compared to traditional disposal methods. In terms of market growth, Vattenfall's investment in recyclable wind blades opens new revenue streams and market opportunities for sustainable energy infrastructure, appealing to eco-conscious investors and governments. Their business model innovation includes establishing robust take-back programs for turbine components, which ensures that valuable resources re-enter the production cycle. This demonstrates that circularity is a primary driver of industrial competitiveness, proving that energy providers can maintain profitability while significantly reducing their reliance on expensive virgin resources and minimizing their long-term environmental liabilities. Vattenfall's commitment to the people pillar focuses on social well-being and high-tech job creation. Their circular projects, such as specialized recycling facilities and waste heat recovery systems, stimulate local economies by creating new employment opportunities in innovative technology sectors. Beyond job creation, Vattenfall ensures fair compensation and safe working conditions for all workers involved in these sustainability projects, promoting social equity. A cornerstone of their success is active stakeholder engagement, including close collaborations with turbine manufacturers and specialized recycling firms to drive systemic circular energy solutions. Vattenfall also prioritizes education by informing stakeholders and customers about the environmental benefits of circular energy systems, fostering a culture of responsibility. These efforts ensure that their circular transition is human-centric, promoting regional development and sustainable habits as essential components of a resilient and equitable energy future for Europe. The overarching components of Vattenfall's framework involve advanced technology and strict policy alignment. They leverage Internet of Things sensors to monitor turbine performance in real time, optimizing maintenance and significantly extending asset lifespans. In terms of policy support, Vattenfall maintains strict compliance with extended producer responsibility principles, ensuring total accountability for the decommissioning of energy hardware. Their work supports circular governance by providing a proven roadmap for how the energy sector can align with policies that reduce landfill dependency. Vattenfall also excels in impact measurement and reporting, regularly publishing verified metrics on recovered materials, emission reductions, and total resource efficiency. This transparent data builds trust with stakeholders and provides the empirical evidence needed to justify ongoing sustainability investments. By combining digital innovation with strategic regulatory alignment, Vattenfall ensures that its circular goals are measurable and achievable. Summary of circular economy strategies across European business practices. Vattenfall's core circular strategy revolves around closing the material loop for the green energy transition by managing the entire life cycle of its massive renewable assets. Their approach relies on three primary pillars. First, the company prioritizes infrastructure recycling, collaborating with specialized partners to recover valuable materials like silicon and silver from decommissioned solar panels. Second, they maximize waste heat utilization, repurposing excess heat from energy production processes for efficient regional district heating systems. Third, Vattenfall drives material innovation by developing fully recyclable wind turbine blades to eliminate end-of-life component waste. A critical element of their strategy is the integration of digital tools to manage resource flows responsibly. By combining these strategies, Vattenfall establishes a closed-loop system that treats old hardware as a material reservoir. This proves that specialized innovation is the most effective tool for achieving sustainability. The main findings and impact of Vattenfall's practices highlight its success in delivering measurable environmental and economic benefits. One of the most significant results is the successful recovery of high percentages of materials from wind turbine components, which drastically reduces the demand for virgin resources. Environmentally, the impact is profound. The combination of large-scale recycling and waste heat recovery has significantly lowered the total life-cycle carbon footprint of renewable energy production. Economically, the initiative has improved cost efficiency and opened new markets for sustainable energy infrastructure, proving the financial viability of circularity. Systemically, Vattenfall has proven that even the most resource-intensive energy providers can achieve physical sustainability from installation through to decommissioning. These outcomes provide a clear picture of how circular strategies can transform the energy sector into a more sustainable and resilient global standard for the future. In conclusion, the key takeaways from Vattenfall's initiative underscore its role as a global benchmark for the circular economy. First, their work proves that a truly green transition must account for the physical sustainability and recyclability of its own hardware, treating old infrastructure as a valuable reservoir. Second, Vattenfall demonstrates that life cycle responsibility is essential for maintaining the ecological integrity of renewable energy. Their active collaboration with manufacturers and rigorous reporting on resource efficiency have helped set the highest global sustainability standards for the industry. The success of Vattenfall provides valuable knowledge that can be transferred across other large-scale infrastructure sectors throughout the European Union. By combining technical innovation with life cycle accountability and stakeholder collaboration, Vattenfall provides an inspiring solution for organizations looking to transition towards sustainable operations. Their journey proves that circularity is an environmental necessity. Thank you for your attention throughout this deep dive into Vattenfall's circular economy practices. If you are interested in learning more about the KODECET project or exploring other good practice examples from our catalog, we encourage you to visit our website or contact our project partners.